So, what is Ayurveda? At its basic core level, Ayurveda is a classification system for the body, symptoms, and remedies. It's a theory of how habit influences the body, and it's 5,000 years of knowledge from application of these methods. Ayurveda uses many different lenses to see the body and assess the body. And these different lenses are designed to give you a whole picture of the person and their imbalances. We've talked about the chakras, the marma points, the dhatus, the srotamsis, agni, mala, how to measure the quality of tissue with ojas, tejas, and prana. We've talked about the sense organs and the mind, body, and the spirit, and the koshas, the different levels of awareness. And each of those different lenses is offers a fascinating perspective on the body that's very rich and very deep, and we're going to continue to go through it. Each of these different lenses and viewpoints increases confidence in your assessment as a practitioner. So, to conclude, are there too many concepts in Ayurveda? Do you feel overwhelmed? Well, don't worry. This is just your first time meeting these concepts, and you will encounter them many times throughout our course. We're going to explore them more fully. And just think about it this way. The average adult knows between 30,000 and 80,000 words that they're using every day. Well, in Ayurveda, you're going to end up having to learn about 25 words only. So think about the order of complexity there and just relax. We're going to go through these many, many times, and by the time we are done, all of this is going to feel very familiar. Today's talk is just the tip of the iceberg of possibilities using Ayurveda's methods and techniques. So, thank you all for listening, and we'll keep going.